Custer.
Stewart-Haas Racing Team's mission is to win NASCAR championships, and every split second counts.
Cole Custer wants to keep the lead in domination.
To achieve the high performance that this sport demands, the team is turning to artificial intelligence. With safety as a primary concern, they set out to lightweight the brake pedal on Cole Custer's 41 Mustang. Using Autodesk generative design and Fusion 360, the team came up with multiple design options, then brought in Renishaw to additively manufacture the final pedal. The new generatively designed pedal is 32% lighter and 50% stiffer than the previous part, and the project took just 2 months from start to finish.
Cole Custer slapping the reins on that Ford Mustang.